Hey there, I am the American Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to put a basic theme on your video iPod. Now, when I zoom in here, you can see that I've changed the background to this Naruto thing, and I've changed the do not disconnect symbol, as well as the top bar. So I'm going to show you how you can do this, so I'm going to flip over to my PC.
Hey there again. If you haven't done so already, connect your iPod to your PC. So what we have to do is we have to make sure that iTunes doesn't interfere with the program we're going to be using. So just make sure in the system tray that it's off, and just to be extra sure, go to Task Manager and go to Processes and make sure iTunes is not there, and also make sure that there's a program thing called iTunes Helper. Just click on that and go to End Process, and that should be fine. Okay, let's move on. So the program we're going to be using is this one here, iPod Wizard. This one here. So to get this, we're going to go to a website called getipodwizard.com. And when you upload it here, it's we've got this page here. So we're going to go to Download. Then we're going to go to Download Links, top corner. We're going to go to the latest version, iPod version 1.3. So we're going to click on this one, and it's going to give you this zip folder. So basically just open it or save it wherever you want to do and just press OK. This is going to download. It usually takes a few seconds. When you open the zip, we're going to extract it and either put it on your, I would suggest putting it on your desktop because that's where I've got mine. So just extract the whole folder to your desktop. And then once you've done that, what we do is we open this up, and we've got the program here. So I think this is only with Vista, but if this works as well on XP or whatever software operating system you're using, right click on it and go to run as administrator. Just press allow. Okay, so this is going to bring up the interface we're going to be working with. On the top left corner here, it says edit mode. Now as default, it should be on updater. So what we're going to do is on this drop down menu, we're going to click and go to firmware file, and it's changed here. So on the right here, right beside it, it says open firmware. Well, we don't have any firmware at the moment, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to download some. So another website we're going to be using is this one called ipodstuff.org. So you put that in and then press OK, and it'll open this website here. On the right over here, we've got iPod video tutorials. If you scroll down, I think it's about the 7th one down, it's called Perfect Background Hack. So we're going to click on this one, and it's going to load up the next page we're going to be using. Just give it a second. Okay, so if we scroll down the page, you'll notice some green text here. Above it says download the firmware here. So this is the things we need. So depending what generation of iPod you have, either it be a 5th gen or a 5.5 gen video, is which one you download. I would suggest using either one of these ones, the new firmware update. These ones are just, I think these are slightly older versions, and it's also on a mirror site. So what we're going to do is, depending on which iPod you have, we're going to choose either the new firmware update or the 5.5 one. So I've got a 5.5 video iPod, so I'm going to click on this one, and I'll open this rapid share page. So it shows you the file that we're going to be downloading. So either if you're a premium user, which I doubt it, so we're going to click on free user, and you have to wait about 30 seconds to get the zip file. So after 30 seconds, it's going to bring up saying, do you want to save this or open this zip file? So what we do is I would suggest saving it. So you save it, then we're going to extract all the documents to your desktop. Okay, so once we've done that, we're going to go back to iPod Wizard. I'm just going to minimize this. I'm going to go back to iPod Wizard, and we're going to click on this tab here called Open Firmware. Okay, So I've got this in my desktop. This is the 5thgen one. So if you open this folder, it's got the one here which you need, the 5thgen Ultimate Background Hack version 1.21. I'm gonna go back and choose the 5.5 since it's the one I need. Okay, so when you click open on it, it's going to start loading the strings and the pictures that it needs, and this usually takes about 10 seconds. Okay, just give it a second. Okay, so as you can see that it's added a picture here. Just above it, it says index with a 0, and it's got this drop down menu here. So if you scroll through them, if I just click randomly, you can see that it's got different symbols and things. So the one we need for the background is number 138. So I'm just going to scroll down to 138 and click on it. This is the default firmware background that it gives you. So if you want this sort of